To download the program, go to GitHub or search for Upscale on the internet. As you can see, Upscale is free, open source, and available for all common operating systems. Although the program is a bit older, it still works very well. Just click on Download Now. Scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page. There you will see the versions for Linux, Mac, and Windows. You'll notice that the versions aren't actually that old. Go ahead and download your version. Once you start it up, you'll see this interface. Here you can set the language. I'm leaving it in English. You can close this window by clicking the small X in the top right corner, or simply by clicking outside the window. Here are the settings if you only want to upscale a single image. In this section, you can load the image you want to enlarge. Under Select AI Model, select your preferred model. You can scroll down through the list. Pay attention to models labeled non-commercial. The digital art model is ideal for vector graphics, as well as cartoons, comics, etc. For photos, I find high fidelity to be the best choice. It doesn't smooth out the image as much as other models do. When you click on it, it will loading. Under Image Scale, you can choose the scaling factor. If you go too high, a warning message will appear. However, I think a maximum scale of 4 should be sufficient for most images. I usually only use a scaling factor of 2 or 3. In Step 3, simply select the folder where the upscaled image will be saved. You can load an image by clicking Select Image or simply by dragging it onto the interface. Let's double-check our settings and then click Upscale. Here is the real-time scaling. You can use the slider to test the before and after effect. Note that the image has already been upscaled and saved. You can see a slight smoothing, but it's acceptable. Personally, I always choose to scale images as large as I need them. You can then downsize them to your desired size in an image editing program. Downscaling is always better than upscaling. There is another interesting option in Upscale. You can upscale multiple images at once. Just activate Batch Upscale. The rest remains the same. Select the folder containing the images, the model, the image scale, and the output folder. Then just hit Upscale. It will take longer, of course, since there are more images, but you won't have to load each one individually. Have fun testing it out.